Tuesday morning, World Hodlers. Actually, it's 12:30, so we're in the afternoon now. But anyways, Tuesday morning, wanted to bring you guys the morning update, afternoon news here. Stuff that I haven't been able to get to since we were anticipating the launch of LightPay and all of the other news. There's just so much going on. I was thinking yesterday, I remember a time when you would look back in 2013 or 2012 and you would try to get a couple fresh stories on what's going on in Bitcoin and the market. And some days there was no news at all, and now there's just unlimited sources of media, basically, people, just stories galore. So, it's just crazy how far we've come in just 5 years in this space. So I can only imagine what 5 more years is going to be, where we're going to be in 5 more years. But anyways, I want to get right into the news. Please don't forget to subscribe. As always, I want to hit 1,000 or 100 subscribers by the end of March. That's my goal right now. So please subscribe and share this with your friends. Comment, like. I really appreciate it. But right into the news here. Quick market update. Bitcoin's at $10,660, and it's up over 4% at 4.1% for the day. Ethereum at $874.57, up 0.88%, just under 1%. Litecoin is down 2.64% for the day at $216.40. Neo at $139.96, up 4.31% for the day. Neo starting to edge a little bit higher. I still am very bullish on Neo. And lastly, in the top 5 that I like to talk about is Steam at $3.48, down 0.69% for the day, under 1%. So the market kind of not really moving too much since yesterday, but Bitcoin is starting to push back towards 11,000. So I really think that the volatility, the volatility is a good thing, but we're starting to see that little build up that we like to see when we're about to go up, take that next run up normally. So I think that that's a good thing. I also wanted to cover a couple quick stories here. Goldman Sachs subsidiary Circle has acquired Poloniex, the American exchange. So the banks aren't even pretending that they're not interested anymore. They're trying to buy up exchanges. This is obviously going to launch a million different ideas for their company, maybe a crypto. This is going to really change Wall Street, everything. Everything's going to change here in the next couple of years. But, this is more proof that the banks want in, and this is also a signal to Coinbase that they better, they need to get their fees and everything straightened out and the problems that they've had recently over there. Not that I think Coinbase is going away, but their market share could definitely see a hit with this big money coming in here. They're gonna run an efficient thing, you imagine. Although I don't want anything to do with Goldman Sachs. Just saying that maybe Coinbase should be put on alert there a little bit. But also, a huge story out of Russia is that the Russian leaders got together, and I actually watched this interview of Putin talking about how even, many people there realize the importance of cryptocurrencies, but even the people that don't right now, they need to understand that Russia, this is from Putin's perspective, that Russia has has vast resources in oil and all, commodities, whatever. They're very invested in a lot of things and have a lot of resources. So this is just another way for them to, stay ahead of the game, just like every world, every nation state should be doing so, and the world should be doing so. Russia really, I think, really grasps the importance of cryptocurrencies right now, maybe more than the United States even. I know they met with Vitalik Buterin, I think it was this year, in the early part of this year. So, I mean, they're taking a proactive stance and initiative towards understanding what's going on in the space. So I think we'll see other countries follow, and maybe Trump will come out soon and say something more about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and the likes. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But I just want to bring you guys a quick market update and a couple of the big stories right now. and news in the space. Everybody have a good Tuesday afternoon, and I'll bring you an update tonight.